أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وإذ آتينا موسى الكتاب والفرقان لعلكم تهتدون. Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I recited ayat number 53 of Surah Al-Baqarah. In this ayat, Allah tells us about the book, the big book that was sent down to Musa alayhi salam, Tawrat, and also some miraculous special signs. Those were sent to Musa alayhi salam in order to tell the people so that they can find the reality and the truth and the falsehood and the darkness and the light, so they can differentiate the reality that is Islam. So they can find it, and they must be guided, so they can find the real guidance from there. Allah said, wa is, and when atayna, we gave Musa al-kitaba, to Musa alayhi salam, the book, the Torah, wal furqan, and the special signs of differentiation, or you can say the miracles of Musa alayhi salam. La'allakum, so that you tahtadun, you may get the real guidance. So in this ayat, Allah tells us two special blessings, those were sent down to Bani Israel. And the first is the book, Torah. You know that when the Bani Israel, they become free from slavery of Pharaoh and their government, so they were now in a position to live a nice life, a comfortable, peaceful life. But there was the shaitan and the nafs, and maybe possibility of disputes and quarrels and different type of sinful things, evil practices. So the chances of that, in order to remove that one, to bring the people at right sirat mustaqim, the real path. So there was a need of constitution or special code of life that must be helpful for the people, like Bani Israel, to spend their life in a smooth way, in a peaceful way. So this way, Allah calls Musa alayhi salam for 40 nights. So Musa alayhi salam, for 40 nights and 40 days, he was at Mount Sinai, and then Allah gave him the book Torah in the form of tablets, and Musa alayhi salam came back to the people and with the book, and also Musa alayhi salam got special signs of, you can say, miracles of Musa alayhi salam, and those were also helpful in order to bring the mind of the people to the right direction, so that they may be able to get the right guidance that was the Allah wants for them, so that they must go to paradise. So Allah said, wa is atayna, and when we gave Musa al-kitaba, book to Musa alayhi salam, Torah, wal furqan. Furqan mean the special signs or miraculous things. La allakum, so that you tahtadun, you may get the real guidance, yeah, or you may be guided properly. So this was the Musa alayhi salam. He got the special signs, like first of all you can see the stick of the Musa alayhi salam, that was very important, and that special stick that blessed to him by Allah, and that stick, when Musa alayhi salam was sent down to Pharaoh, and he spread the stick. He left the stick on the ground, and that became the biggest snake. And when the when the when the jugglers of that time, or magicians of that time, they were called by Pharaoh to spread up their the magician tricks in the form of snakes. So that time, Musa alayhi salam, he left his stick on the ground, and that was so much big snake. It has eaten it had eaten all of the small snakes made by magician people. So this way, the people who were magician, and they have seen it, and after that they said Musa alayhi salam is the true prophet of Allah, and it is not a magic or magical thing. So it is reality, and Islam is reality. Musa alayhi salam brought the message of Allah, that is reality. So we accept Musa alayhi salam is right as his Lord. Allah is right. We believe in Allah. Allah is one. Allah has no partner, and Musa alayhi salam is the true prophet of Allah. So they accepted, and they bowed down into sajda to Allah. And this was the Furqan, like the stick of Musa alayhi salam became the sign, special sign, as a different special sign of differentiation. It's like a Furqan, to differentiate the reality from the falsehood. So they accepted the reality, the light, and then they became Muslim. So this is the one thing. And similarly, this stick was so much blessed that when Musa alayhi salam, he hit the stones, and 12 fountains of water came out. So, and other way, when Musa alayhi salam was leaving the Egypt and going through the river, and at the river, when they were finding the Pharaoh, his army is behind, and Musa alayhi salam just touched the water of river with the stick, and there Allah made the 12 ways to go through the river outside, so to pass it, to cross it. So Alhamdulillah, this is other special sign of Allah, a special miracle of Musa alayhi salam. And you can see in the Musa alayhi salam, when he was just to put his hand in the armpit, and when he was bringing it out, it was glittering. It was like so much bright and nice, and that was also a other sign. And similarly, there are other signs also. So Allah sent the signs just to tell the people that Musa alayhi salam is the true prophet of Allah, and Islam is the real guidance for them, and Torah is the book, a constitution for them, and the miracles of Musa alayhi salam, they are not falsehood. They are really the true light for them, to bring them to the real guidance. So this way, those people who were Bani Israel, they found Musa alayhi salam, Torah, and miracles that were the signs, special signs of Allah. So just for guidance, Alhamdulillah, then they understood the reality, and what happened then after like that. So we will read in the next ayat, inshallah.